I'm Scott with Marc's Mobility. Today we're unboxing the Pride Go-Go Sport 4-wheel version with easy turn technology, so stay tuned. I'm here with the Go-Go Sport. This is the 4-wheel. This is the newest updated version. This has the easy turn technology that allows the front wheels to turn at almost 180 degrees, which gives it about a 41-degree turning radius, which is very similar to a 3-wheel scooter. So I don't believe the unboxing is going to be much different than the original Go-Go Sport, but we're going to go ahead and unbox it and find out. Before we begin, go ahead and like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. Or if you have any questions or are interested in this unit, visit our website at marcsmobility.com or just give us a call. So now we're going to start with the unboxing. It's going to ship through freight on a pallet like this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and grab my knife. You can wheel it off the pallet first, but if that's not, if you have issues pulling something heavy off the pallet, I'll show you how to do it with the pallet and everything. So we're going to grab our knife, we're going to cut upwards on these straps. Now we're going to cut the box open. I like to do the sides. Be very careful to not cut down into your product. I don't want you to damage it. So I'll cut the sides, then I can lift this up and then cut down the middle. And that protects the inside from getting hit with the blade. Okay, so this does look a little different than the original Go-Go Sport 4-wheel. Instead of all the styrofoam, they have a lot of this cardboard that's very thick and protective. So I'm going to remove some of that. Up top, some of the first things I see is a little warning. We've got our owner's manual and our seat post. Then in this box is our charger. And then just a little bit more padding material. Up top is also our arms. So I'm just going to set all this stuff to the side. Up front we have our basket. And in our basket is going to be our shrouds. It comes with red and blue shrouds. Yes, blue. So if you ever want to change from red to blue, you automatically are given the blue shrouds. Up top is also our battery box. And then just a little bit more protective material. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my knife and I'm going to cut the sides of the box. That's going to allow me to roll the scooter off the pallet. So very carefully, there is these kind of protective cardboard pieces, but just double check your corners, make sure there's no scooter in the way before you do this. So corners clear, and then I can go ahead and cut my corners of the box. So now I have all 4 corners cut. There's just a little bit more material I'm going to get out of the way. We have our tiller here. And I'm going to lift up the tiller. Up front there is a little knob with teeth, so we're going to loosen that. Bring the tiller up and then go ahead and tighten it. That gets it out of the way. And now we're going to move the seat out of the way too. So this is where our seat is sitting. And then from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this unit into neutral. There's a lever in the back, this yellow lever, with a lock and unlock symbol. The lock is what engages your brakes and allows the scooter to drive. The unlock disengages the brakes and allows you to push the scooter. So I'm going to stick it into neutral and I should be able to wheel it right off the pallet. And now I'm going to take a moment to clean up all the packing material and we're going to get to the assembly of the scooter. Now I've got a lot of the packing material out of the way. We've got our seat, our owner's manual, we've got our charger, battery pack, our seat post, we've got our basket with our shrouds and then our 2 arms, and of course the scooter is here. The first thing I'm going to recommend we do is we're going to do the seat post. Now, before the seat post, I want to get the owner's manual. And inside the manual, there's a bag with a bunch of safety pins. And there's a large safety pin in there we're going to go ahead and get out. And our keys are actually also in this, so I'll go ahead and get those out too while I'm here. Just kind of hold on to those. So there's a large safety pin, and that's what goes in the base down here. So here's our seat post. There's different holes you can put it in depending on whether you want it higher or lower. It doesn't matter where it goes as far as there's no front or back. So we're going to go ahead and line it up. There's a hole on the side right here that the pin's going to go through. We're just going to line it up. Push the pin through, and then we're good. From here, we're going to grab our battery pack. And the battery pack just sits in. Make sure it's lined up. And then on the battery pack, you can actually charge the unit from here as well. There's a charging port under the tiller, but you can take this and charge it separately if you want to leave the scooter broken apart in your vehicle and just bring the batteries in and charge them. Then this is your relay fuse. If you ever overheat the unit, just check to make sure that that's not popped and push it back in. Next, we're going to put the seat on. Here's the seat. Then this post is going to go right in that hole. We're going to line it up, and then it just drops right on. You don't have to pull the lever, it just drops right on, and that just unfolds back. Now this lever is good if you want to rotate the seat. It'll lock every 45 degrees. And to take the seat off, you do not need to push that lever, you just pull straight up. Now we're going to install the armrests on the back of the seat. In that bag with the large safety pin, there's actually two small ones as well that are going to go back here. And the arms just slide in. You might have to loosen this screw until it slides in. There we go. And you can see the holes in the arms will line up with the holes in here. You don't have to do the safety pins. You can just tighten it with this, but a lot of people like that extra security. So I'm going to go ahead and push that through. And then from there, to get rid of that wiggle, now you're going to tighten these. You're going to do the same thing on the other side. And now we're going to attach the basket. The basket slides on right here. And it'll just click in. To take it off, you just push this lever back and slide it right off. Very easy. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to check the power. We have our keys from earlier. We're going to turn them to the right and check the ignition. And if you hear that sound, that beeping sound, that means we are still in neutral. So when we flip the scooter in neutral to get it off the pallet, we're still in neutral. See how I can push the unit? We want to turn the power off, go to the back of the unit, make sure it's set to the drive position, which is the locked symbol. We'll turn the power back on. It's not beeping, and the scooter will now drive for us. So this has been the unboxing and assembly of the GoGo Sport four-wheel scooter. This is the updated version with the easy turn technology. If you have any questions on this unit, please give us a call or visit our website at marcsmobility.com. Please like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel, and thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.